lately. So coming into this whole thing that we've been in now, where we're just kind of stuck at home and not really able to go anywhere, there's also a lot of unknowns about like financial and things like that, of just how this is all going to look. And so a couple of weeks ago, I was just kind of thinking, what could I do to like add some income on my blog, and just something that I use that I maybe could promote on my blog. So for about 8 months now, I've been using this gel nail polish from GelMoment, and I really like it, and I'll show you. I've got major growth coming in here. I need to do my nails again, but I've waited because I wanted to show you guys that I did these on April 2nd. Well, with the April in Madrid, I did these that on April 2nd, and then a couple days later, I wanted to mix it up a little bit, so I put on some Chameleon Spirit over top that was sparkly, and so it's been 19 days. So obviously there's a lot of growth going on there, but this gel polish has lasted. It's still on. So I need to go ahead and remove it and do my nails again, but I wanted to show you guys just kind of where I'm at right now with it. So I decided that it was something that I use. It's a product that I've been buying. I've spent a lot of money purchasing it on my own, just products. And one of my friends is a distributor, but she is an OB-GYN and she washes her hands a ton. So I figured if she's using it, then it's gotta be good. It's gotta like really hold up to a lot of hand washing, and it totally does. So I decided to go ahead and sign up, so that way I could kind of put it on my blog and then maybe hopefully earn some extra income for my family. So I got my kit today. First off, let me show you. So I bought all these polishes already, and my gel light, my LED light. So this is what comes in the kit. Now the kit right now for the month of April is $55. So it's a great value for what you get in here, and that's your distributor kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on this video the link that you can go to get your own kit. I'm also gonna have a link because I'm gonna have a fun giveaway. So I totally gave it away. I was gonna wait till the end, but you might see it on there anywhere. So there's a link to my blog where you can enter to win. And I'll tell you at the end what you can try to enter to win. So here's the kit. You get this really cute train case. So I'm so excited. I didn't know I was gonna get this. So you pop it open. I'll give you kind of a peek here, sneak peek. So it's got a strap. So this, I feel like this is great for traveling too. So just as being a distributor, but also traveling, perfect. You're also gonna get in your kit, you're gonna get some samples of the hair care products that the company also sells, and some lotions and things like that. You're gonna get these cute little charms, these little decorative stickers that you can stick on and kind of bling out your fingers or your nails. That'll be fun. You're gonna get 2 of these long-lasting professional nail files. So there is a buffer on one side, and there is just kind of like to use your regular nail file. And these last a really long time. So you get those. You're also gonna get a gel polish remover, and you're gonna get some nail cleansers, just to get you started out with. Now this did not come in the kit, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is the Flake Off gel remover, and I love this. It's for sale also, like through my GelMoment link, and it's great. You just brush it on. Like I said, I purchased this totally myself, like while I was using the product. Brush it on, and you leave it on for about 5 minutes. Then you're gonna take your little nail cuticle pusher, and you're gonna just kind of like scrape at it. It's gonna come off most of the time in just like one time. If you've got a lot of gel on there, you're gonna wanna use a little bit more of this, but there's no need to like soak in acetone or put cotton ball of acetone with foil around it. It's great. So you're not gonna get that in your kit, but this I think is awesome. So you definitely need to get this. You're also going to get in your distributor kit, you're gonna get this great cuticle pusher tool, totally need. You're gonna get, there's some more lotion. You are gonna get your own mini LED lamp. This is great, it's for 2 fingers at a time, but I love the size because it's perfect for travel. So, awesome. And you are gonna get 2 colors. This month, it is Shadow Surfer, which is kind of a blue with a little bit of a sparkle. I think really summery and fun. And Beauty Queen, which is more of like a magenta color. So you're gonna get those in the April kit. And guys, I think I was most excited about this because I feel like I'm totally at the nail salon. Look at all the colors. So you'll also get this in your kit. So it's amazing, it's fun, I love it. I love that it's something that I use and that I can share with others on the blog and then also make an income. So if you've got any questions, definitely let me know. Just comment, let me know. And if you want to sign up, there's a link that you can sign up. There's also the link to enter the giveaway. So the giveaway, what am I giving away? I am going to give one lucky winner this beautiful pink mini LED light because I already have the red one that I purchased myself. So when I first started using the product. So you're gonna get this pink LED light, mini LED light. You're also gonna get one of these professional long-lasting nail files. And you are going to get, I'm gonna give you the Surfer, the Shadow Surfer, this blue gel polish from GelMoment. So these are the items that you're gonna win. It's over a $50 value. So go ahead, enter to win. Tell your friends, double your chances, because then when we're able to get together after this whole social distancing thing is over, if your friend wins, you could do your nails with your friend. So go ahead, enter to win, and let me know if you have any questions.